live from the US of A. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. If you don't like me, then you must not like money. Listen, y'all, it's been a few days since the last video, but I wanted to take some time and really look at the charts, learn from the charts, and more so come up with, some new ideas on how I can teach you all, some of the secrets that I know, how to make money in the crypto market. We have more than 1,300 subscribers from all over the world. Middle East is in the house right now. Brazil is in the house right now. USA in the house right now. Canada in the house right now. So I want to help you guys get started and let's make this thing happen. If you got any questions, I'm in the comment box after every video. So make sure you post your comments. We got a great community. Everybody is active and participating. And that's one of the awesome things that, we're able to do together. If we look at the global chart, this is coinmarketcap.com. And what we see, first of all, is that the cryptocurrency market altogether is worth $94 billion. Let's take a minute to think about that. $94 billion. If we look at what's happened in the last 7 days, this thing has come up from 70 billion to more than 94. What does that mean? That means it's a lot of money coming in this market, which means if you know how to play it, you can make a lot of money. One of the things you'll find is that when more money comes in, prices go up. So if you're in on the ground floor on some of these trades we've been talking about, Dash, Ethereum Classic, even Bitcoin, looking at the waves that it has, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. It's a lot of money to be made, guys. And so that's what I wanted to take the time to do with you on this video, was kind of walk through the basics and gain an understanding of how these charts work and how you all can make some money. So if we look at this chart, this is on our tradingview.com. The link is in the description. And what I want to do here is walk you all through how I look at trades and really how to make sure you're on the right side of the curve. So when we do a trade, we're buying and we're selling. But also in that, we want to make sure that we're not losing money and, that this thing isn't going to go higher after we sell it, because then we lost money technically. So again, this is Dash, okay? And this is on the Dash daily chart. You can see that it had a big spike here in March. But other than that, it hasn't really been much action at all. See? It was really brand new to the market. It had a quick spike, and now, it's kind of settled out a little bit. So it doesn't show us a lot initially. But we have to look at a deeper level. We really have to zoom into this chart to try and see what trends are happening and where the opportunities are. So instead of looking at the one-day chart, especially for some of these new crypto coins that don't have, the history Bitcoin does, I like to look at a 4-hour. And what does a 4-hour tell us? A 4-hour will tell us, where in the day these trades came in. So we can see right here, we have two breaks. We have a high right there, and we have a high right there. So that's an opportunity for us to draw a new trend line. So let's do that. Let's go high to high, right? And what do we do next? We go low to low. Well, when we zoom out, we can see we had a low right there and a low right there. So, let's do that too. Low to low. Oh, it didn't snap. One more time. Low to low. And again, you'll see a lot of other guys who don't really know what they're doing draw their trend line all the way down to the end of that candle. I don't like to do that at all. The reason why I don't go to the bottom of the candle is because if you think about it, mathematic wise, it's an extreme point. It is out of the range of what is normal for the chart, right? So I don't want to include extremes in my general trend line. You know, if I want to look at one point in time, I might look at it, but otherwise I'm just going candle high to candle close. That's how I draw my trend lines, and it works really, really well. So we got Dash here, we got the bottom, we got the top. What do? Copy and paste, Command C, Command V, and now you can see we have a pretty good channel that Dash was living in right there. If we wanted to do the same thing over here, we could do that too. Command C, Command V, and that shows us the trend line channel that Dash was living in before it broke down. And what did I say on one video? Diamonds are a girl's best friend because they bring home the money. So if you got a girlfriend that like to go shopping, you know, or you a girl that like to go shopping, you find the diamonds in these charts, and you'll be bringing home the money in no time at all. So what does this tell us? This tells us now that this channel right here was a pretty good trend line for Dash. We can learn a lot around these two channels. When Dash went up, it went up, you know, in that channel. When it went down in that channel. So what can we do next? Next, we can show that when Dash goes up, more than likely, it's gonna go up on a channel that looks like that. And when we start to test this thing out, we can kind of see, like, even right there, right? It tried to go up. It tried so hard, you know, to go up, but it wasn't ready, you know. But when it went up, it pretty much followed that channel. The floor became the ceiling, right? So that's what we want to look for, guys. You know, I just wanted to take a couple minutes on this video to really walk you through the basics of charting. And this is just not for Dash. You know, you can see that Dash doesn't have a big history. We go to the one-day chart, it doesn't look like much of anything at all. But when we zoom in on it, you know, and look at the 4-hour, we can figure out what's happening, how Dash lives, what's the reality of Dash. More importantly, when Dash goes up, when is it gonna go down, right? So if we're in on this trade, so let's make this real now, right? We're in on Dash right here. You know, we're Dash right there, and we see it jump, and we have it. We're like, oh my God, Dash is making money. Dash is making money. You know, so what do? We copy and paste the trend line where it jumped at, and we follow it up. And we know as long as it's above that line, then we're good. Once it breaks that line, we need to sell, we need to get out, because it's no longer living in the life that supports an uptrend for Dash. So we sell it, guess what? We don't lose all the money. That's about, you know, it went from 55. If we would have sold right there when it broke that line, that's 57. It went all the way back down to 47. You know, that's a tenth of a Bitcoin, and that's a lot of money. So you multiply that out over space, over time, you can just catch Dash on you know, the low ups. It doesn't have to be a slam dunk. You know, we could have bought it right there, said, okay, it's going up, it's riding, it broke, get out. And now we wait for the next one. So you can see, you can do this at a small scale. It doesn't just have to be, you know, buy it and make 10 times your money in 10 minutes. No, you can just do a lot of small wins, guys, that adds up to a lot of money down the line. This is called small ball. This is what they talk about. A small win is better than a big loss. When you do it like this, it's real easy to win. Listen, I wanted this to be a quick video just to show you, you know, a quick charting tip. Share this video with your friends. Pound that like button so everybody in our community sees it. When they log on to YouTube today, make sure you turn on your notifications. I'm going to be doing a video every day this week. If you registered for that one-on-one, I'll be getting back to you this afternoon, later today. And also look out for that chart. If you haven't got your monthly report, you should be getting that today as well. We got a Google Pages community. We got a Trading View community link in the description, and where we got this community. So make sure you get in the comments, comment any question you got, like, subscribe, share with your friends. This is your boy BK. I hit you back. Have a great day, guys. Peace.